naman tayo. Enjoy na.
Last stretch na natin to, ha? Guys, isipin nyo, last stretch na natin ng UAAP. Tara.
Guys, last stretch. Huwag na tayo babagsakin yung bola. Huwag na tayo babagsakin. Bigyan nyo na lahat. Ha? All out na.
All out na. Last na to.
Isanggan nyo na lahat ng parte ng katawan nyo. Kahit pinikmata nyo, isanggan nyo na. Ha? Ito guys, tara.
Ito na lang kailangan na kailangan natin na. Hoy, tulungan natin yung Spider Sarang.
You heard the words last stretch.
Yep.
Because if Ateneo loses here, there is going to be no tomorrow.
Yeah, you're right.
It's the off season for them starting this afternoon. If they do not conquer FEU here, because FEU has the twice to beat advantage being seeded number 2. Ateneo is seeded number 3. And they're looking good so far. 2-1 lead and 19-12 advantage. 7-point lead here in set number 4. And the officials talking with some of the FEU players. I think they're having way too much fun at this point.
Well, they can afford to do that. They're up by 7, and they just need to close out this 4th again to get a seat in the finals. Don Tien still wants to play some more volleyball.
Napagalitan ni Coach George Pasco on his way to the bench. Sinabi yata, i-underhand mo na lang.
Parang elementary PE class, ano? Ooh, what a save there.
Kept alive by Ateneo. But not on the second time. That move from Beliran. Kirk Beliran has been a steady backup or, second option for FEU.
That's right. And now it's Molate with a serve.
20 serving 13. Pareja. Might be a case of too little too late if he starts becoming aggressive now, but you'll never know. Crazier things have happened, as you always hear commentators say. It's just a 6-point advantage by FEU.
They're still in this. And they've got to control the block while Pareja's right there in front.
Nice job by Africa to keep that alive. Africa is rejected, though, by Labrador and Beliran.
That was an umbrella over Africa.
Golf umbrella.
Golf umbrella talagang laki. 21-14. FEU would be content to just trade points right now.
Yeah.
Ateneo.
Pareja is blocked. Pareja tries again. Facial.
Finally, Pareja gets it going. Look at this play. Pareja, step back, quick play, and Brioso gets hit on the face. Brioso gets a facial. Not the relaxing one.
Not the one from you.
Not the one from my clinic. But from the arena.
Ay, naging derma niya si Pareja.
Mikasa ang pumahid sa mo.
Ooh! Takes one back. Binawian niya para kay Brioso.
That's right. Ricarde. Again, splitting the block of Ateneo. Wow.
What form?
Bongbong balikat yata.
That's what FEU missed. Alcalde is the only player graduating for FEU. Even in Tal and the offense of Ateneo totally shut down by their own accord.
Yeah, that's right. A lot of these points from FEU were given by Ateneo here in the 4th. A lot of reception errors, service errors, and even spiking errors now.
A lot of hoots and shouts here inside the arena as people anticipating FEU to finish this off already. 2 points away from closing this one out. Make that match point for FEU.
And it's going to be a seat in the finals and still a waiting game for FEU on who's going to win between UST and UP.
Well, it seems like Labrador says, "Shadow pa maaga."
Ano ba sanay tayo ng dalawang practice sa isang araw.
Bitin. Wala daw jogging today. Let's listen to Ateneo.
This could be the last timeout of the season.
Sila ng lupa. Tara! Laban tayo. Mali mo kayo sila ng lupa. Bigla, di ba? You never know, guys. Tara, kapit lang. Ha? Guys, tara. Kapit lang. Tara. Okay, laban lang. Yes! Agad din lang ako po yung 1 point. Sige lang.
Well, you definitely call it the final timeout.
That's right, Coach Emil Lontok of UST, Coach Candoy of NU, of course, Tournament Director Coach Kid Santos, and of course, Coach Viv Isada of UP, the two protagonists, sitting in one table with our tournament directors.
Kaya magkabilang dulo sila.
Magkabilang dulo sila. Pinapagitnaan ni Coach Candoy at ni Coach Kid Santos. So, again, FEU most likely will get that first seat in the finals. And whoever wins that UST and UP match.
I hope we didn't speak too soon.
Yeah.
What unfortunate errors being produced here by FEU, and that forces Coach George Pascua to talk things over. But let's listen to
Kita ng short nun.
FEU.
Receive ko muna. Hindi tayo makakapalo kung hindi kayo re-receive. Di ba? So huwag kayo mag-focus sa kung nagsiservo sa kalabas. Sa receive muna. Kung ako yung receive. Kung anong nangyari sa receive, hingin ang bola. Naintindihan? Huwag good receive lang. Huwag good receive. Okay? Tara.
oh, may lakad si Coach Pascua. Nagmamadali.
Bilis magsalita ni George talaga. George Pascua making his re-entrance to the Final Four. He missed out last year. Pero who knows, this year could be the year that they get back into the ticket with a young lineup.
And they being the only team that beat UST this season. So, it's just fitting that if UST makes it to the finals, what a match that's going to be. And there it is, folks. The finishing point and the finishing touch on the season of Ateneo, and FEU moves on to the finals, taking care of Ateneo in 4 sets. 25-17 it ends in set number 4. And after a spirited start by Ateneo in set number 1, it was all FEU down the stretch. We'll be back to wrap this up after these.